cold. Yep, I decided what I would do is I would save it for after the holidays, which was nice of my body to cooperate. That being said, I haven't done much cooking, but I did find a product right here called Imagine Portobello Mushroom. It says creamy soup. Okay, it's vegan. Looks pretty straightforward. Mushroom soup.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Linda picked this up for me while I'm doing the best I can to breathe in the living room. She made sure that I had plenty of soups to keep myself strong and healthy, well, healthier, as I'm trying to get better. Imagine the delicate flavor of premium portobello mushrooms shimmered in a medley of onions, garlic, celery, potatoes in a rich and velvety broth. It is a classic starter with a delicate texture and refined flavor. And it says here, non-GMO, vegan, non-dairy, gluten-free, no added MSG, kind of thing. My wife's got this thing about MSG. No artificial ingredients, no preservatives. The ingredients are filtered water, portobello mushrooms, potatoes, onions, celery, tapioca, starch, flour, expeller, pressed canola oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, sea salt, roasted garlic, mushroom juice, concentrate, garlic powder, onion powder, natural flavors, spices, and it's all organic. Okay, this container here, which is 32 fluid ounces or 946 milliliters, as it will feed 4 people. And each portion is 80 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 450 milligrams of sodium. If you were to have 3 of these, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that'd be acceptable. Total carbohydrates is 12, dietary fiber 2, sugars 2, and 2 grams of protein. So not very much protein in here. It's got vitamin C, calcium, and iron. It says on here, shake well after opening, refrigerate after use. Not going to last that long here. Stovetop, heat on medium in a saucepan, stirring frequently. That's what I'm going to be doing. Heat on high for 1 minute. In a microwave, safe bowl, stir, repeat. So if you're in a hurry, or you're sick in your dorm, and all you have is a microwave, voila, that takes care of it. All we're going to do today is we're going to put this in a quart-sized saucepan, cook it on the stove, make sure it's hot, put it in a large cup, and drink it. Because when you have a cold, everything tastes a little bit off. It's just perfect for me. It's a small little saucepan. So then what you do, turn the light so you guys can see what's happening. These things are so hard to open. Okay, got it open. It's got these little things here to protect you. Pour it. Well, some people say you should shake them because sometimes you have sediments on the bottom. Okay. And then pour it inside. Now what I normally do is use it for the size cup I'm going to be using. Right there. And then we're going to set to high. I'm going to show you this in a minute. Okay. Okay, it's on high. Make sure you don't burn yourself when you do that. Now you can't walk away from this soup. It's not going to take it long for it to get hot. So we're just going to let it boil, and I'll come and show you for the next step. Okay, so in case you can't figure it out, it tells you right out here, just twist to break, because there's plastic here. Inner freshness seal. And then you can see best used before June 2nd of 2020. So we have some time on this one. Now if you didn't want to wait for it, you could just get a giant cup like this, and you could simply just pour it in here and stick it in the microwave for a minute to 2 minutes. See the instructions for microwaves, where microwave is placed on high for 1 minute. So it takes a little longer to do it on the stovetop, Not everyone has a microwave, so I'm just going to show you how to do this in two different parts. One in microwave. Later on, when I get a little bit better, I'll show you how to make this from scratch. This is really easy soup to make. Once you cook the portobellos, you basically mince them down to liquid. Also, if you were to mix your own broth, it would even taste better. And this gives you an idea how it's going to work. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat. Just make sure that if you do this, you don't burn yourself. It's already got a very nice flavor to it too. You could add other vegetables to it, but the way I'm feeling right now, I'm just going to try to get my liquids up and drink this soup. Alright, it's ready. Alright, so then when that's happened, pour it into the cup. Then we're going to put this in the sink right away. Part 2, microwave instructions. Place soup in a tall cup, place it in the microwave for 1 minute. Ooh, look. So when you get your cup out, it's going to be hot. And stir it and test it. Make sure it's adequately hot. See? This time it's the right temperature. Microwave instructions. Perfect. So this time it took 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Thanks for watching.